So today I'm super excited because I have another amazing guest, and it's my really close friend,
Alan Carter.
So Alan is going to be doing a couple of collabs with me, and he's going to be bringing some really awesome and really delicious backyard barbecue favorites, side dishes actually. And the very first one we're going to be doing together is...
So it is my vegan version of my grandma's amazing potato salad. It's a really simple, easy recipe. Basically the only thing that we did to make it vegan was omit the hard-boiled eggs and substitute vegan mayonnaise in. Other than that, it's a pretty straightforward recipe. It's easy, it's delicious, and you and your friends and family will love it.
It's super easy and super delicious. So if you've been looking for a bomb.com potato salad, this is it. Like, for real, for real. So if you're interested, stay tuned. And before we hop into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more of Alan's awesome recipes. All right, let's hop into the video.
Let's do it.
So to get started for the potato salad, you will peel off some of the skin from your potatoes and boil them until fork tender. Drain the water and add your potatoes back to the pot where you're going to add your vinegar and let them cool overnight. The next day you'll remove the rest of the skin and then dice into cubes. Next you will add your vegan mayo, red onions, red bell pepper, celery, and green onions to your potatoes and mix together.
So Alan, what is like the best utensil to mix this with so you don't break up the potatoes?
For me, I love using a rubber spatula because you can kind of grab all your ingredients from the bottom, mix them together, and fold them in together without breaking up the potatoes and the rest of the ingredients.
Cool.
The next ingredients you will add will be your relish juice, fresh dill, and fresh parsley.
So next we're going to add the seasonings, and we put Cajun seasoning, black pepper, celery seed, white pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder.
So to finish the potato salad, you're just going to mix everything together and let chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, but preferably 2 to 4, so all your flavors can marinate and mix together. Then to garnish, we garnished with smoked paprika, but you can use your choice of fresh dill, parsley, or green onions.
Alright, so I told you guys that this recipe was super easy, and let's ask the chef himself if he has any more tips or tricks to share with us.
So just a couple things to keep in mind when doing this recipe is that you're going to want to do this in advance. So you're going to want to boil your potatoes in advance so that way you have enough time to have them cool off before you peel them. Also, while they're still cooling down, you're going to want to splash them with a tablespoon or 2 of either white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. You don't need a lot. It kind of just helps add a little bit of a tart flavor to them, helps keep the potatoes stay nice and fresh without overpowering the entire potato salad itself. And then another variation that you can do for this recipe is adding yellow mustard to it. It turns the potato salad yellow and just adds like another layer of flavor to the salad, and it's really, really good.
Yeah, but I mean, honestly, if you don't want to add anything else other than what Alan has shared today, you don't have to, because it's bomb.com.
It was really
good.
So,
as you know, I put all the recipes down in the description box below so you guys can actually print them out or download them to your device for free. So make sure you do that. And let us know what you think down in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the rest of Alan's amazing backyard barbecue recipes. We're doing his barbecue baked beans, which are so good.
Delicious.
so good. I cannot wait for you guys to see this video and see this recipe. And then we're also going to do some buffalo jackfruit dip, which is a spin on buffalo chicken dip, which is so good too. So like I said, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on Alan's amazing recipes, and thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Hi,
Oh,
and
shit, sorry.
what?